Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. One of the major benefits of candlestick analysis is it allows you to accurately assess what investor sentiment is doing as far as the overall market direction. As we can see, the big reversal signal up here in the Dow started us in a downtrend. This is the number one step, I should say it the other way, step one for high probability trade setups. We know the simple factors. If you see a big candlestick sell signal and a close below the T line, you can stay short until you see a candlestick buy signal and close back up above the T line. This is important for the direction of the trades that you want to put on in your portfolio. Same scenario here on the NASDAQ when you can see the two indexes confirming with each other. And you can see where they're not supporting. The NASDAQ did not hold at the 50 after gapping down through the T line. Implies there's still more downside, especially with some more juice left in the stochastics. Knowing the direction of the market allows you to produce high probability option trades factors, which basically says if you see the market turning over and you start seeing strong sell signals, you've got much greater probabilities when you're putting all those stars in alignment of being in the right direction at the right time. Same scenario we saw in our recommendation to going short on DWAC. Look at your dumpling top that failed to get back up above the T line. Good profitable trade. Now you could either, again, enhance this trade by identifying that a J-hook pattern is setting up. So this wave right here and this wave right here might be your next good price move. When you can put those pieces of evidence into your evaluation, it allows you to make high probability, high profit trades. And that's what we're going to be doing on April 23rd. Join us for a full day training on which option strategies do you apply at specific times of pattern setups. For example, this one's just rolling over, close below the T line. Where's your next likely target, here or here? So this is where we go through an analysis of what would be the best trade setup here. Buying puts, buying put spreads. There's different places in a price trend where trading options become much more strategic, knowing which option trades to put on at this time versus, is this the time to be buying puts on Apple? No, probably up here was the time. This might be more appropriate of putting on a put spread. So these are the type of analytical factors that we can look into with greatly improving not only our probabilities of being in the right trade at the right time, but knowing which is the best option strategy to be putting on in different time frames of a trend. So anytime we see that strong sell signal, tells us the probabilities are in our favor. Now, once we know we're in this good downtrend, what do we look for? To see which levels that everybody else is watching is likely to be the target, especially when things start coming together. When we get into the oversold area, we might be at a support level and we have a little bit more diligence as far as watching to see if there's any reversal signals occurring at these levels. So we're basically looking for the direction. Look at our double doji set up on OVV. Knowing that this is a strong sell factor, at least we can conclude that we might be heading back down to the 50 or even greater. We don't know where it could be going. We just know the probabilities are pretty strong that it's heading down. So that will be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.